So, did DJI just flip the drone calendar on us? Yep. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is finally here, but with a twist. The release date is officially set for September 18th, 2025. And get this. Some insiders are whispering that the announcement might even land 2 days earlier on September 16th. That's right, the hype train is moving faster than ever. Now, you're probably wondering, why is this launch such a big deal? Well, stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down everything we know about the Mini 5 Pro, the specs, the camera, the insane new battery life, pricing, global launch details, and yes, some surprises that will either blow your mind or make you question if DJI just pulled off their boldest move yet. Trust me, you don't want to click away. First things first, weight. DJI kept the Mini 5 Pro under that sweet 249-gram threshold, which means no annoying drone registration in most countries. But don't be fooled by the lightweight. This thing packs some serious firepower. We're talking a 1-inch CMOS sensor, pushing out crisp 20-megapixel stills and 4K video at 120 frames per second with full HDR support. Translation? You're getting buttery smooth slow-motion shots straight from the sky. No bulky drone needed. And the upgrades don't stop there. DJI is bringing back old-school click-on propellers. Finally, no more fiddling with micro screws after a crash or when your backpack decides to chew up your blades. If you've ever owned a Spark or Mavic Air, you know exactly how big a win this is. Here's where DJI really flexed. The new Intelligent Flight Plus battery promises up to 52 minutes, almost an hour per charge. And if the Fly More combo really packs 3 batteries, that's over 2.5 hours in the air. Add in 360-degree LiDAR obstacle avoidance, and you're flying smarter and safer. More time for epic shots, less time worrying about trees, poles, or rooftops. Now let's talk about camera. The Mini 5 Pro comes with a 24mm f1.8 wide lens for sweeping landscapes and a 48mm telephoto for that cinematic compression. But the real cherry on top? Clip-on ND filters designed specifically for the new sensor, ND8, ND16, even ND128. These are going to push the Mini 5 Pro's image quality closer to DJI's flagship Mavic 4. And here's a fun twist. Fans are joking online that DJI's ND filter kit looks like the new Apple Watch lineup. Gotta love the internet. Alright, let's talk about money. Pricing looks surprisingly competitive. Around $799 to $850 for the base package, and roughly $1,399 for the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2 controller. And yes, that's the one with the built-in display. No more juggling your phone while trying to fly, just pure focus on the skies. So, is it coming to the US? The answer is yes, but with a catch. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is already registered with the FCC, which is a green light for the American market. But ongoing import restrictions and customs enforcement could delay availability in certain regions. If things smooth out, the US launch should roll out alongside the global release in mid-September. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a mini-sized monster. Nearly an hour of flight per battery, cinema-ready lenses, pro filters, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, all under 249 grams. Whether you're a traveler, filmmaker, or weekend flyer, this drone could change the game. But here's the question. Can the Mini 5 Pro really compete with DJI's Pro lineup, or is it just hype in a tiny package? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Worth the upgrade? Or are you waiting for something bigger? And if you liked this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the full reveal when DJI makes it official.